And what is the proof that this realm is an afterthought? The heavens and the earth did not exist from eternity. They created later. According to the hadith, the lifespan of the world is 7,000 years. If someone says 10,000 years, he will not be a kafir. In other words, that hadith is not at the level of trustworthy. In that respect, if it is not trustworthy, it cannot be a proof for belief. Because faith is an important matter. You can say 10,000 years, 20,000 years, whatever you want. Since we stick to the hadith, we accept it as 7,000 years. It will last 7,000 years until the day of judgment. I am talking about the lifespan of the world, not Adam, peace be upon him. Adam alayhi salam has come later. Jinns had settled here 2,000 years before Adam, peace be upon him. It is obvious that it was before. So this world was created later. The heavens and the earth were created later. What is the evidence for this? Of course, those who believe in verses and hadiths do not need proof. The Creator says so. But the proof for this is that tagayyurat has occurred in this world. What does tagayyurat mean? It means there are changes. What do these changes signify? Changes, obsolescence. Then the day going, the night coming, the state of the planets, one rising and one going down, the appearance of one of them, no persistence and stability. When one rises, the other goes down. The eclipse of the sun, the waning of the moon's light. What are these things? It means there are changes. Isn't our body the same? Our sickness, our health, our dying, being born, being resurrected? These are all changes. What do these changes indicate? Those who are created later in this world can never be independent of the one who created them.